In the hidden corners of the internet, an intriguing conspiracy theory asserts that the Earth isn't the familiar spherical world we know, but a flat expanse carefully concealed by powerful forces. This tale starts with whispers of ancient civilizations possessing advanced knowledge about Earth's shape. Alleged secret texts and artifacts suggest a long-standing global conspiracy aimed at suppressing this ancient truth. Adherents of this theory challenge fundamental physics and astronomical observations. They argue that the curvature of the Earth isn't apparent in our day-to-day lives, claiming that distant objects remain visible beyond the horizon. Space exploration, according to this narrative, is a meticulously orchestrated charade. Moon landings, satellite imagery, and space agency missions are considered elaborate deceptions to maintain the illusion of a round Earth. The iconic blue marble image, they argue, is nothing more than a fabrication to manipulate our perception. Gravity also faces scrutiny in this alternate perspective. Instead of the widely accepted explanation, conspiracists propose an alternative force causing objects to fall. This rejection of established science is intended to undermine the basis of conventional understanding. In this version of events, the sun and moon take on new roles. Rather than distant celestial bodies, they are believed to move much closer, creating the cycle of day and night as they orbit above the flat plane of the Earth. This theory persists despite rigorous scientific disapproval, thriving in online communities where skeptics find solace in their shared beliefs. While mainstream science overwhelmingly rejects the notion of a flat Earth, this conspiracy theory highlights the enduring allure of alternate narratives. It underscores the importance of promoting critical thinking, scientific literacy, and discernment in an era where misinformation can easily spread. The Flat Earth conspiracy, however implausible, serves as a reminder that skepticism can shape unconventional beliefs even in the face of overwhelming evidence to the contrary.